On top inside Edo today, reverse matter no dey for Edo State Deve. Na Deputy Governor of Edo State na im talk this one. Deputy Governor for Edo State, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, don talk say nobody go fit put Edo State progress for reverse gear. He talk this one when he received decampees from opposition party wey be People's Democratic Party for im office for Government House. The decampees na chairmen and leaders of 13 wards for Ovia Northeast local government. Shaibu come talk say dem dey come APC when Edo APC dey experience gbege, and this one mean say nobody go fit put Edo State for reverse gear at all. Deputy Governor talk say dem go organize better welcome party for dem later as dem carry theirself come join progressive leadership of APC for Edo State to take move Edo go front.
I can assure you that coming to realign with us, I didn't say join now. So what we'll be doing by the time we fix a date, which will be very soon, is to come and just hold a party to celebrate our realignment and unity of APC in Ovia Northeast. Is that not what I want to do? So I want to really appreciate everybody. I want to appreciate you. I'm very excited. The governor is very happy that his family members are returning back to become a full family member. And when Faustinus, I know he's very economical with his own calculation, when he was saying 80%, me, I'm not seeing 80% too, I'm seeing 100%. I also really want to thank you this time. And you are coming at a time where there are small tension in the state politically. I want to challenge all of you and challenge others through this media to say that the progress of Edo State can never be put in reverse gear again. We used to have that street language, they say our mumu don't do. But this time, it's beyond our mumu don't do. It's now about the progress of our state. And we have discovered that the progress of our state is to the extent that we don't reverse our policies. These policies are very critical to us, and the policies cannot drive itself. You must have somebody that understands what leadership entails, that has the right connections and has the right ideas to put things well.
Leader of the team, Faustin Ovia come talk say dem don't carry their full support come APC. He say continuity no be wahala because of the Deve wey APC government they do for Edo State. Ovia talk say im members ready to work as team to make sure say APC win election when they come so.
Your Excellency, sir, I have to tell you, these are the people that have been doing it for PDP in Ovia Northeast local government. As you can see, we have people from out of the 13 wards of Ovia Northeast local government. It's only 2 wards. We are not having any representative here today. Your Excellency, what I just want to tell you is that as you are seeing the whole of them here now, these are the foot soldiers of PDP in Ovia Northeast local government. I don't know how to boast, but if you stand seriously with them, I know in any election that is going to come, APC will have 80% of the entire vote in Ovia Northeast local government.
APC chairman for Ovia Northeast local government area, entails come welcome the decampees them. As in talk, say people like Faustin and other ward and youth leaders will come APC do the right thing.
At least for Faustin to say he's joining my party today, APC, I say kudos to him and kudos to all members of APC in Ovia Northeast. At least I'm very, very happy with the other followers that came with him from PDP to APC. At least I'm very happy. It's a welcome development.
Special advisor to Governor Godwin Obaseki on top gender issues, Efosa Uyigwe, talk say with this kind people will come join APC, so it shows say people ready to follow Governor Godwin Obaseki carry Edo State go front.
You know that there's this popular saying, the more the merrier. And now the quality of persons that are coming to join us today, well, you know that what Mr. Governor is saying, moving Edo forward, people who can help to deliver on the dividends of democracy. They have come to join us, and I know, without mincing words, that Ovia Northeast, Edo State, will not be the same again. We are going to, in fact, have a tsunami on the day of the declaration.
Commissioner for Local Government and Community Affairs, Honorable Monday Osagbovo, in talk say Edo citizens know say Obaseki dey carry Deve the entire Edo State, and at this one I go make way continuity na short thing.
The meeting will bring better development because first, those who are joining us are also grassroots people, and like my sister have just said, the election that is coming is going to be a walkover election in Ovia Northeast and Edo State in general, in view of what His Excellency do, which all of you know. The issue of 4+4 is not negotiable. Because we are only waiting for the day of nomination and the day of election. The people of Edo State and the people of Ovia Northeast in particular.
Now here we see this ogbonge updates reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu don talk say reverse matter no dey for Edo State Deve at all. Make una know say this ogbonge update wey dey waka come to una so na T Live Media and I'm carry am come give una. And to get more of this ogbonge story, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Like and follow us on top Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.